window pane is cold and gray, a perfect quiet rainy day. It makes me think of games to play and land so very far away. The sleepy sun has gone to hide, the world holds its breath deep inside. The mango leaves are still and deep, a silent promise they will keep. The dusty earth looks to the gray and waits for what the clouds will say. Then drop by drop, the song begins, a rhythm washing all our sins from thirsty ground. A scent will rise, a gift from the forgiving sky. A gift don't know the thought beliefs chike. It's the thunder drum, the pitter pat, the monsoon melody is back. A boy runs out, feet so bare, to sail his paper boat with care. A girl with bangles in her hair lifts up her face without a care. She dances as the water streams and lives her tiny joyful dreams. From open windows you can hear the sizzle of a sound so dear. The chai is warm, a cozy treat, a perfect partner for the beat. The world outside is washed anew in shades of emerald green and blue. The final drop has found its place, a clean new world, a moment's grace. The peacock calls, a painted sky, a monsoon blessed lullaby. The world is bright, the storm is done, the gift of love